These are my pure red line shrimp. After I got to looking at my pure black lines and saw they had a bunch of babies, I started looking in here, and there's a baby. And we got more babies over here. There's one of the adults there. So I'm not sure how many babies we got. Let me see if I can go up and show you right on the glass. Yeah, there's one right there. There's one of the babies. There's a bunch of babies in there. These are the pure red lines. I've been waiting to see how long it would take them to start breeding. I've had them in there for a while. They're just a beautiful, beautiful shrimp. Yep, these are the pure red lines.